everyone, welcome to Zarani's Kitchen. So today I'm going to be making very healthy date smoothie. It's a great energy booster and this smoothie will keep you feeling full and it will also help you with the weight loss. This smoothie is high in fiber and it's loaded with antioxidants and it's a good source of protein and iron. You can have this as your breakfast smoothie or your pre or post workout smoothie. So let's get started making the smoothie. So first we're gonna need 10 almonds, 10 walnuts, dates, and protein powder and some milk. I am using 1 cup of milk here and a whey protein powder. You guys can use any protein powder of your choice. I'm going to blend it together and here you can see our smoothie is ready. It's very easy and very healthy. This smoothie is going to give you a great energy boost. So I'm gonna garnish it with some almonds and raisins. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like the recipe, be sure to like and subscribe to get more weekly recipe like this. Thank you so much. Bye.